This workshop deals with what to do when the file upload didn't go right. Sometimes it's a machine problem. You'll get an error message. Sometimes it's easy just to forget to upload the file. Or sometimes another file comes along that needs to be attached to the same metadata. In this case, we're going to be using Illinois Supreme Court decisions. I intentionally loaded a metadata file onto the metadata generator and into EDI without any file attached to it whatsoever. So we have a bad file out there. We're going to discuss how to find the record number and how to upload files to that. So let's go ahead and begin. The first thing we'll probably want to do is check our records real quick because we'll have a list of everything there. And if you remember the file number, you're doing better than me. I'm going to have to go back to my document. Now, there's two documents I'm going to be using, but this particular PDF is a summary of a Supreme Court decision. It's Phoenix Insurance Company versus Rosen. I'm going to go ahead and copy that because I don't like to rekey things all the time. I'm going to hit Control F to find, paste it in here, and it tells me that it's record number 22125. Now again, I'm going to go ahead and highlight this and copy it. That's a nice little trick so you don't have to key things all the time, and return to the main menu. I'm going to come down here to the bottom where it says upload files, and this will upload these files to the correct metadata record. It's the same box that comes up for loading things into the metadata generator initially, with the difference that the number is not assigned by the metadata generator, even though it still says it's there. So I'm going to put my number in. Now I'm going to head over here to choose my file, and I'm not sure what the file number is. I'm going to go back and check that real quick. The file name in this case just happens to be the case number. It has a little letter S behind it, which tells me that it's a summary. I'm also going to recopy in Phoenix Company versus Rosen, paste it into here. And again, just the Supreme Court decisions just work this way. I'm going to put the summary here. There's a summary, then there's a full account. So right now we're going to load the summary. And I need to know what the software was used. Microsoft Office Word 2007. Well, that's easy enough. In fact, I've done it enough times that it's in the queue of my browser here. And there's 2007. So I've got all my information in, and this is not the last file I'm going to upload. It could be. If it is for what you're doing, if you just forgot one file, you want to upload one file, you'd hit yes and upload there, of course. But in this case, I'm going to upload another one. And like to use the upload the next one now. It's kind of hidden, so I'm showing you where it is. I'm going to go ahead and click that, and you see that the record number is already correct and in there. And since I have my Phoenix Insurance Company versus Rosen already in my cut queue, I'm going to ahead and just paste it in. Here's my other file, the complete record, and I'm going to go ahead and select that. And I don't know what the software program is, so let's go ahead and swap out here and take a look at this file. I'm going to right-click on the PDF, go to Document Properties, Corel PDF Engine version 10.990. Okay, don't know if that's in here or not. Oops, good. My file type, Corel PDF Engine. I don't know if that 10.990. Okay, well, it is in there. Apparently I've done these before. So this is my last file, and since it is my last file, I'm going to click yes, and then upload file and descriptive material. And that's how you get stuff loaded into the metadata generator if you just forgot or you came across an extra file that needs to be loaded. Ta-da!